and we will do the standardization of sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate. So what we are doing is, we are taking a burette in which we have poured one normal HCl. This is a burette of 50 ml, and we have taken a conical flask in which we have added 10 ml of sodium carbonate solution. So, since it is an acidimetric titration, HCl is in the burette because it is standard solution. Its normality is already known. We know that the normality of HCl is 1 normal. So whatever will be the standard solution whose strength and normality will be known, that will be always taken in the burette. And जिसकी normality and strength हमें निकालनी है, वो हम हमेशा conical flask में लेंगे. ठीक है. So इसमें हमने 10 ml sodium carbonate लिया है. So since it is an acidimetric titration, so in all the acidimetric titrations we will use the indicator methyl orange. We will add 2 drops of methyl orange indicator and we will start the titration. See, the burette reading is at 0 now. We will see, all of you can see there is a yellow color after addition of methyl orange. So when we will start adding the HCl, then when the color of the solution will change to light pink, that will be the end point of the solution. That means at that point the pH of this solution changes and the color changes from yellow to pink. So we are starting the addition of HCl, that is 1 mol. We will add dropwise and by side we will shake it to get the pink color, like this. Can see the beautiful pink color. This is the color change from yellow to pink in all the acidimetric titrations. We get this color change after the addition of indicator methyl orange. So we can see the reading now. It is 17.6. So from 0 to 17.6, the color changes from yellow to pink. So this is the first titration, that is standardization of sodium carbonate. So we know the normality of HCl and we know the volume of HCl consumed, that is 17.6. So by applying the N1V1 equation or normality equation, we can calculate the exact normality of HCl, and we know the normality of sodium carbonate also. So this was the first titration. Now we will do the titration of sodium bicarbonate. Again, it is the similar procedure as that of sodium carbonate. We have taken HCl in the burette and sodium bicarbonate we will take. This is your sodium bicarbonate solution. It's 100 ml solution. So we will take 10 ml from this. So we are adding 10 ml of sodium bicarbonate in the conical flask. Again, we will add indicator methyl orange, 2 drops. We will shake it properly. See the yellow, light yellow color after the addition of methyl orange. Now we will start the titration. We can either start from 17.6 itself, or we can fill the burette again from 0, right? So we are starting from 17.6 and let us see what is the reading here in sodium bicarbonate. See the beautiful pink color. So from 17.6 to 22. So this is the reading, and we have got the color change from yellow to pink. So in both the cases, we know the normality of HCl, we know the molecular weight of sodium carbonate and bicarbonate. So by applying the normality equation, we can calculate the exact normality of 0.1 normal HCl, and that was our purpose, to prepare the HCl and to standardize the HCl with the help of sodium carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. So this is an acidimetric titration in which acid is titrated with a base to get a neutral compound, that is sodium chloride, with the change of pH. Thank you so much for listening patiently.